The goals of security. To talk about security is first of all to realize that not all goods are equal. We can choose to define an asset as any element that represents value. It can be data, informations, know-how, trade secrets, but also movable or immovable goods or intangible assets such as reputation or trust. A manufacturing scheme and a coffee invoice shouldn't be put together in the same pot. By reviewing the assets of a company, we quickly realize that an inventory and classifications are necessary. It is necessary to identify the most important assets to treat their associated risks. The security of an asset can then be established along three axes: confidentiality, integrity, and availability. The importance of classification surfaces only when these questions are asked. What if the information has been disclosed? What if the information was manipulated? What if the information is no longer available? It is therefore necessary to sort out, classify, and apply the necessary protective measures to each category of assets. Several classification methods exist, some have been set as standard. Here is a method that allows to organize assets. We can assign a level of confidentiality. This level includes the following elements: public, reserved for the books, web pages or any other publicly accessible information. This is information that we would accept to be published in newspapers. Internal, this category can be used for internal knowledge, or user guides for example. Restricted, this level should be the default used for private data, protected by law, for documentation, concerning the internal operation of a company, or machines, for the source codes of different applications. Confidential, there are documents officially classified as confidential data, protected by the privacy laws, management secrets, banking secrets, trade secrets, data on security incidents. And finally, the secret category. This level can correspond to personal and sensitive passwords, documents officially classified as secret, knowledge on stock price, developments, etc. Then, we can analyze the assets from the point of view of integrity. How important is the integrity of the data? The normal level is the default one. The important level, reserved for assets, for which a compromise of integrity would be harmful. And the vital level is the highest level. A flaw in the integrity of the data would have disastrous consequences at this level. We can classify, for example, the assets related to the transfer of important financial flows. Finally, we can estimate the need for availability. It may seem exaggerated to require an availability level of 99%. However, this 1% missing represents an unavailability of more than 500 minutes per year. 500 minutes without call or electricity would not be without consequence. For a system with an availability of 99.99%, except an unavailability of 1 hour per year, we speak of a fault-tolerant system. And for a system with an availability of 99.99999%, except an unavailability of less than 1 second per year, we speak of an ultra-high availability system. These classification methods make it possible to provide adequate protection measures to secure each asset, but it is important to think about the containers in which the asset is deposited. We cannot deposit an asset in a container which has a lower classification than the asset. A letter offers a restricted level of confidentiality, a normal level of integrity, and a level 2 of availability. Emails offer a restricted level of confidentiality, a normal integrity, a level 0 of availability. A standard laptop computer offers a confidential level of confidentiality, an important integrity, and a level 1 of availability. For further information, detailed examples are available online. The concepts of confidentiality, integrity and availability are the cornerstone of an effective and secure classification.